Hello everybody, so you're in the event of running Mac OS X Snow Leopard or Lion. I am running Mac OS X Lion, but you're in the event to upgrading to Lion or Mountain Lion. So the process seems to be going fine, but after you type your password and press OK or hit enter, for some reason you get this message. Having problems? Don't worry, I know a method to fix it. So what you're going to do is right click, show package contents. Contents, shared support, double click install esd.dmg. Let it verify itself. You can skip it if you like. You're gonna right click OS X Mountain Lion, open, continue, agree, and just simply follow the steps, type in your password if you have one. Then the process will just keep going without giving you any issues. So thank you for, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe with the notifications bell open for more video tutorials like this and more rail fanning videos. I'll see you guys in the next video.